How to fix can't delete or uninstall apps on iPhone. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of not being able to delete apps on your iPhone. Let's get right into it. First, let's make sure you've enabled app deletion permissions. Open up your settings, scroll down and tap on screen time. Then, scroll down again and tap content and privacy restrictions. Now, head over to iTunes and App Store purchases and tap on deleting apps. Make sure it's set to allow. Once that's done, go back to App Clips and set it to allow as well. Finally, turn off the content and privacy restrictions. This should unlock the option to delete apps. Now, let's move on to the second process. Open Settings once more, scroll down and tap on General, then iPhone Storage. Here you'll find a list of all your apps. Select the app you want to uninstall, tap Delete App, and confirm. Simple as that. Alternatively, you can also just tap and hold on the app icon on your home screen and select Delete App from there. And there you have it. 2 simple processes to get rid of stubborn apps on your iPhone. If you still have any questions or if you're running into any issues, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.